In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos in split view. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So using split view mode is one of the easiest way to watch while at the same time scrolling through YouTube. For this, I'll show you how you can do it on Chrome browser. So first, on your Chrome browser, go to YouTube, and once you are on YouTube, go to any video that you wish to watch in split view mode. For instance, I want to watch this video in split view mode. To do that, just right click on the video. It will split this into two. Now I have the original YouTube interface here, and now I have the split view here, so I can watch this video. So let me mute it and run. You see it is running, and at the same time I can still sample through other videos here. So that's how you can run this in split view. But should you want to exit split view and go to the original interface, now go and click on that original interface, that is this one, and then head over on top here under this icon and then click on separate views. If you click on this, you will go back to the original interface. So that's how you can use and exit split view on YouTube using Chrome browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.